Namaste to all of you. I'm Ranjith, a part of Yoga Prana Vidya under Mahatma Choa and Maha from the foundation of the Inner Sciences India Trust, Kolkata. Today, as I walk near this calm lake and green rice paddies, I feel the living power of Mother Nature all around me. The earth holds immense power, the power of stability, nourishment, and grounding. Every step we take connects us to this ancient energy. The water carries life from the gentle ripples of the lake to the hidden roots beneath the soil. It cleanses, nourishes, and keeps every being alive. The air, invisible yet alive, moves gently around us, carrying prana, the beneath of life. When the cool breeze touches your face, remember you are breathing the divine energy. And the fire of the sun gives light, warmth, and the spark that awakens all life. Without the fire of the sun, nothing can grow, nothing can move, nothing can live. All these earth, water, air, and fire are not separate. They are one living system, dancing together under the sky. The trees, the birds, the fish, the soil, even the humans are part of this one great breath of nature. So today, as we walk, breathe, and feel this living earth, let us silently say, thank you, Mother Nature, Mother Earth. May we live harmony with her. Thank you, Mother Nature. The earth beneath my feet is alive, whispering stories of time gone by. The breeze that moves across my skin carries the song of life within. The sun above, a golden flame, gives light and warmth, yet asks no name. The water flows, both soft and strong. It sings of peace, a sacred song. The trees, the birds, the sky so wide, all breathe together, side by side. And in this dance of air and clay, I feel the one in every way. The water flows, both soft and strong. It sings of peace, a sacred song. The trees, the birds, the sky so wide, all breathe together, side by side. And in this dance of air and clay, I feel the one in every way. Namaste. Thank you very much.